Hello everyone, it's Fatan. Today we are going to write a program that will check if the given number is a Nernst number or not. As usual, we will start by importing the scan class from the console. Then we will pick our copy class, then we will write our method. Then we will create a scan object called input, and we will print enter a number, and we will say integer number equals input.next integer, and we will use some methods. So there are two methods in this function, and I will explain them. So I will first explain this because we will use this method in this method. So yeah, public set integer is an integer method, and digit counter, it will count the digits of the given number, and we will say integer counter equals 0, and if num equals 0, return 1, and while number is not equal to 0, number use num divided by 10 and counter plus plus. So this means it will just increase the counter by 1, and it will return counter when this condition is not true anymore. Then we will write this. It's a Boolean method. Public static Boolean is narcissistic integer number. By the way, these are some examples of narcissist numbers. Narcissist numbers are integers and digits integers whose sum of the and power of the digits are equal to themselves. So yeah, if number is smaller than 0, return false. So we want positive integers, and digit count equals digit counter. We will use this method, and sum is 0, RAM is 0, number original is num, and RAM total is 1. While this RAM equals the remainder of the division, and RAM total is 1, and we will use a for loop in the while loop. For integer I equals 1, we will write our condition, and we will write our absolute control. This will work at the end of each iteration, and it will just increase I by 1. And we'll say RAM total like this RAM. This means it will multiply the RAM total by with the RAM. And then when this condition is not true anymore, we will say sum plus equals RAM total, and this means it will just add RAM total to sum, and num equals num divided by 10, and when this condition is not true anymore, it will return this. So if this is true, it will return true, and if this is false, it will return false. So if yeah, is true, it will print is a Nernst number, and false, number is not a Nernst number. For example, like this is a Nernst number, and this, yeah. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.